Example number 3. The angle of elevation from Buster's eyes to the light fixture in the stairwell is 47 degrees. If the distance between Buster and the point directly below the light fixture is 20 feet, what is the height of the light fixture to the nearest tenth of a foot? Buster is 6 feet 4 inches tall. If the distance from the light fixture to Buster is 20 feet and the angle of elevation is 47 feet, and we're looking for the vertical distance underneath the light fixture, we need to label some of these distances. So opposite the 47 degrees is the distance we're looking for. So I'm going to label that OPP for opposite. And the distance between the light fixture, the base of it, and Buster, that is the adjacent side. So that's ADJ. And up here, let's write out SOHCAHTOA so that we can try and figure out which trig function to use. And I have adjacent and opposite, and that's going to be TOA, T standing for tangent. So tangent of the angle 47 degrees is equal to the opposite side, which in our case is x, over the adjacent side, which is in our case 20. So there's our setup. Tangent 47 equals x over 20. We want to solve for x, so we want to multiply both sides by 20. And it's very important that you put the 20 on the left-hand side in front of the tangent, not behind the 47. Because we don't want to multiply 47 times 20 and then take the tangent of that number. We want the calculator to take the tangent of 47 degrees and then multiply that number by 20. So it's safer to put the 20 in the front. So right now we have 20 tangent of 47 equal to our x. And that's what you want to put in your calculator in this exact order. 20 times tangent of 47 degrees. And I know that it says round our answer to the nearest tenth of a foot, but for now, let's keep it to the nearest 100th. We don't want to cut off too many numbers to begin with. And when we put this in our calculator, we get 21.44. Now there's a reason I want us to do this. So we still have to take into account Buster's height at 6 foot 4 inches. Now we have 6 foot 4 inches for height here, and we have 21.44 here, and we're rounding a number. So let's convert 6 foot 4 inches into a decimal. So this is 4 inches, and there's 12 inches in a foot. So that's equivalent to 1/3, which is 0.33 repeating. So 6 foot 4 inches is going to be equivalent to 6.33 repeating. So when we find the height of the light fixture, we have the 21.44 plus Buster's height of 6.33. We need to add those together, and we get 27.77. And now we want to take that number and round it to the nearest tenth. And our final answer is going to be 27.8 feet to be the height of the light fixture.